10 pairs of simple words I have used to improve my fluency. Today, in this session, I am going to share with you all those 10 simple basic words which I have used and I have been using regularly to improve my fluency. So if I can use these words and improve my fluency, surely this can help you also. So let's start our session today with those simple 10 pairs of words. So the first word is old. Old. The pair of words which I can use with it, which means the same, is ancient. So remember, old, I can say this old dilapidated building is a very haunted place. So I have used the word old to describe a building which is a long time back and is now not in a good shape. So once again, the old dilapidated building in our area is a haunted house. Similarly, I can use the word ancient to mean old. I am fond of ancient history because I want to know a lot of things which has happened in the past. So, to mean old, you can use the word ancient also. The first pair of words then is old and ancient. Both of them mean same. The next word, which I personally use a lot when I don't feel the experience has been very good with me. The word is awful, which means terrible. So I can say it was an awful movie or it was an awful experience. That means that movie or experience was not at all good for me. I didn't like it, I didn't enjoy it. It was an awful movie. Similarly, I can say terrible also in the same sense. I can say it was a terrible movie. Or I can say the day was terrible for me, which means the day did not go well for me. So, awful and terrible are two words which sounds negative and means not good. Next pair of words is exit and leave. So both of them means leaving something. So let's take the word exit and say, you should know when to exit a game so that you don't lose. Or I can say, we all should exit from the back of the building when an emergency situation arises. Once more, we should exit from the back of the building when an emergency situation arises. Similarly, I can say leave. In a sentence like that, she will leave now. So please come and meet her tomorrow. So both the word exit and leave means same, means going away from some place. Next, large and gigantic. Both of these two words means big. So I can say the gigantic or the building which is in our area is worth seeing. Or the gigantic statue which is there in the park is worth seeing, which means it is a very big statue. Similarly, I can say the stranger's large eyes caught the attention of the people around. The stranger's large eyes caught the attention of the people around. So, in a way, I mean to say large and gigantic, both of them means big. But we have used this in a sentence in a different way. I hope you are enjoying this session and the words which I am using or expressing through some sentences will be worth watching for you all. So let's jump on to the next one. Difficult and hard both mean same. So I can say it was a very difficult situation for us when we faced a lot of problems and we had to overcome that situation. So it was a difficult situation. That means the situation was not very congenial for us and we had to do a lot of work to overcome that situation. It was a difficult situation. Similarly, I can say or use hard in the same sense. He is a very hard nut to crack. That means it's very difficult to elicit something from that person. He is a very hard nut to crack. Or I can say the question paper was very hard for us. I hope you have understood both of them in the same meaning, difficult and hard. Next pair of words is encourage and motivate. So both of them means to give some good words or praise someone or insist someone to do something by telling that nothing to worry, go on and you will achieve the task. My father always encourages me. That means my father always gives me some good words in my ears so that I perform. Or the coach encouraged the players. The coach or motivated the players to perform better. So both encourage and motivate means same. It means to tell someone to perform better and not to worry about the negative issues. So encourage and motivate both means same. The next pair of words is start and commands. So I can say, let's start our day by praying to God. Let's start our day by praying to God so that the Almighty looks after us. Similarly, I can use the word comments like in a sentence I can say our exam commences from the 6th of April or 6th of June. Both of them means start. Comments also means start and start is already the meaning start. The next pair of words which I want to use is mistake and error. Both of them mean same. Two sentences which I can use for both of them is it was by mistake. It was not done deliberately by me. It was by mistake. Please don't feel bad. So error I can use the computer program was giving an error message. That means something was wrong. So mistake and error, both of them means something was not right or something was not going in a proper way. Something wrong was there. The next pair of words is option and choice. So in case of option I can say I had no other option but to agree to her demand. I had no other option but to agree to her demand. Similarly, I can use the word choice. I had no choice in front of me but to accept her demand. That means I was helpless. I had no choice. So, option and choice both mean same. The final word, pair of words which I want to use and end my session today is trust and believe. So, believe, with believe I can say a very common sentence, believe in God. The Almighty is there to help us all. Believe in God. Trust also means belief. For a relationship to go on, for a relationship to exist, there should be a trust. For a partnership business, there should be a trust between the partners so that the business progresses. So both trust and belief means same. So I hope friends you have enjoyed today the session. I've used 10 pairs of words which I used or I have been using till now to improve my fluency or to create an impact among the audience. So once more, I just want to summarize those words which I have gone through today. The first is old and ancient. Second one was awful and terrible. The third one was exit and leave. The fourth one was large and gigantic. The fifth one was difficult and hard. The sixth one was encourage and motivate. The seventh was start and commence. The eighth one was mistake and error. The ninth one was option and choice. And the 10th one was trust and belief. So I hope, friends, you all have enjoyed today's session. As always, those who are new to my subscriber channel, I would like to express my thanks for spending your time with this session. But before you leave, please don't forget to put your likes, comments, and the most important thing, don't forget to subscribe so that whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification. Don't also forget to click the notification bell. And those who are my, as usual, old subscribers, my great friends, my dear friends, I am really grateful to you that you have been spending time in my channel, and I hope it is a little bit of helping you. So until next time, from Skill English to every one of you, go on working with your English, be fine, be safe. Thank you.